Yeah, so of course, GRAP 4, we know it's and GRAP itself, it's a reactive measure. So we are obviously coming to a situation, such a terrible situation, and the numbers that now GRAP 4 is invoked, rightly so. But there's a larger picture to it. It's what we've done throughout the year or years or many years ago, the decisions that were taken by the policymakers, that we are in this situation. These are not overnight things. We know that there are vehicular emissions, there's construction. Now, even if right now for GRAP, all the construction will stop and taking it in the, perfect mode that everything has stopped. So how many days will you do that? We'll see the 2-3 days and the numbers will come back, then it will be revoked. So this is really not the solution. The solution are the mistakes. Can we, go back, rewind and see that in spite of the fact, even till GRAP 3, you were constructions happening on the 7 GPRA. GPRA is a general pool residential accommodation. What was the need of giving, hundreds and thousands of officers, government employees, accommodation right in the middle of Delhi when we know it is choking? Why is it that the central government needs to operate from the central, city center, which is choking? Why is it that we are not looking at, renovating various of these older buildings, etc., and we are breaking everything and making again. Now we are hearing about the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. It's going to be broken and made up. And so these are the decisions that actually add up to disastrous construction. Similarly, I mean, in every sphere, I'm talking about construction, vehicular. If you're talking about, there's nothing to fear. Less vehicles. It's a given take that private vehicles have to be reduced, public transport has to come in, but where do you have the public transport? Your roads are encroached with cars only. Every space in the city is a parking lot. No one needs any permission. Aap kahin par bhi gaadi khadi kar lijiye. So those are the things that have to be corrected. They don't happen overnight, but because from the earlier years, these things have been ignored, and you're seeing your, two lanes of cars all throughout Delhi are parked. So obviously there is no driving space, and then no question of buses. They're stopping anyway. The bus stops are encroached. So those are the things that need to be worked on, and with absolutely on war footing. Only then changes will happen. Just bringing in GRAP 4 for 3 days or 2 days and making a headline, and that's it.